everyone, Trim Healthy Mama Coach Christina here. I am coming to you live from the craft fair that I came to over here in the Kitsap County Fairgrounds in Bremerton this weekend. It's a big craft fair, paid a little bit of money to go in, and I wanted to show you. I found some Trim Healthy finds. I did not expect to find these. Super excited to share these with you. One are some pickles. These are pickled dill chips. They have all different kinds of pickles and beets. And they're local out of Purdy near me. So I'm excited. I tried a little bit when I was there. There's no sugar in them. Which is really, really nice. And let's see. It's got organic cucumber, organic vinegar, water, organic garlic, organic dill, sea salt, calcium chloride, a natural calcium salt. That's all the ingredients in here. So I'm excited to have these like for a snack. And they had like dill regular pickles too. And then they had dilled beets, or they had beets and they had garlic and sea salt, I think. And then another amazing find is Bastanelli's, their sweet onion basil. And I also got the marinara as well. I tried these. They do not have any sugar. This one of the sweet onion basil, and this is out of Tacoma. So, but he says they have some stores in Purdy and I forget where else, but he's fixing to add one to Bremerton, which would be really nice. But the ingredients are whole tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, salt, red wine, fresh garlic, fresh sweet onions, extra virgin olive oil, fresh herbs, and spices. So those are the ingredients. It's got 0 grams fat, 0 grams trans fat. It's got 8 grams of carbs. You know, it's got 5 grams of sugar, but there's no sugar listed. So it's from those sweet onions, and tomatoes. So no added sugar. So good, clean, pasta sauce that I can use in our meals. And then this marinara, which I really liked. It was my favorite when I tried it. The ingredients are whole tomatoes, crushed tomatoes, hi Michaela, tomato paste, salt, fresh red onion, fresh green peppers, red wine, fresh garlic, sesame seeds, extra virgin olive oil, fresh carrots, herbs, and spices. And this has 9 grams of sugar, but there is no cane sugar in here. So it is from the ingredients from the fresh produce that's in here. No added sugars. 3 grams of total fat, so make it an S. Or even a fuel pool. It's got 3 grams of protein. So this is really, really good. It's from Yakima Valley wine and San Marzano style tomatoes. So I got those. And then the last thing that I got, I did get some Christmas earrings, by the way. And then I got some shower steamers. That way when people are sick or we're having a cough, and she was saying I can break it and make it last longer. So that's really, really cool. Just wanted to come on here, show you what I got. And I hope this helps you in some way. And if you're watching on YouTube, please hit like, subscribe, and notification bell so you see anything from me, Coach Christina. And I hope that you have a lovely weekend. I'm getting ready to go pick up my husband and my other daughter, and then we're going to go out to Habit Burger. So I got to pick up my ketchup from the house as well. that I made. I'm going to have a crossover. So, burger no bun and sweet potato fries. So, hope everyone's doing well. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.